What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Today I'm going to be going over some of the changes I've been doing to my TRAXXAS TRX-4. Now, one of my biggest complaints about the TRX-4 is it's just way too top heavy. You get on a little bit of an angle, it just wants to topple over. If you go on any type of steep incline, it wants to wheelie backwards. And a lot of that was due to how tall the body is with that roof rack. It just made it way top heavy, and the spare tire being on the back would make it wheelie up if you went up any type of steep terrain. So what I went ahead and did is my first step was to widen the stance of the truck to make it a little bit more stable. So I ended up taking the tires and wheels off of my Tamiya Wild Dagger. And as you can see, it's actually quite a bit wider. Not only the tires themselves, but the stance of the truck. Now, I believe these tires tires and wheels are 2.2s, which they're a little bit taller than the factory tires and rims that came on the TRX-4. And also the rims have a real deep offset to get kind of that stance. The stance looks real mean. As you can see, it has, with those Porter axles, has crazy amount of clearance from those differentials. Go ahead and give you a little bit of a close-up. As you can see, the offset of those rims are really deep. And I didn't raise it at all. You see, I just took the flares out. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of trimming on the front and rear of the fenders there, because when it's fully collapsed in, articulating, when you can't really turn, you can turn a little bit, but it's gonna hit the edge of the bumper there, or the fender. So we're gonna just do a little light trimming there. As you can see, I took off the roof rack, all the flares, and then also the body's really light now. And you see, I took all the heavy stuff out of it. I left the grill and stuff on the front just to keep the front weighed down, so don't want to loop backwards. But the body's so light now, I don't think I'm going to have any problems with it. We'll be taking this truck out this weekend, which I'm real excited about. I want to see what kind of angles I could get this thing on and see how much sturdier that wider stance made this truck. We'll be hitting some trails, playing on a little rocks, even though these tires ain't going to be very favorable for rocks. But we're going to be testing out, see how it does, and kind of do some adjustments and see where we're going to go with it from there. But as always, if you guys like my videos, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.